come make breakfast with me on a rainy morning. So we've got the cold weather finally moving in, and it's been rainier than usual, but the Nestera coop has been doing well, and the chickens stay dry for the most part, as long as they go in the coop, that is. But yeah, so let's grab some eggs. The process is really easy. You remove 2 pins on the backside, you lift up the little door over the nesting boxes, and voila! You have a bunch of eggs available, hopefully, depending on how your chickens lay. And yeah, I took them inside and cooked them up. I like my eggs country fried, I guess you could call them, or over medium. But anyways, there's nothing better than farm fresh eggs from your backyard.